Aloha, welcome to this practice. Let's go ahead and start at the top of the mat. We'll just get right into it. So we find our Tadasana. So we're gonna move through a dynamic chair pose. So as you inhale, the arms are reaching straight up. As you exhale, sink the hips, lower the rib cages to the thighs, let the head release. Then as you inhale, lean back, the arms are reaching, and press yourself to standing. Exhale. The arms come down. So the full exhale is to come all the way down. As you're exhaling, we're bending the knees into chair, keeping the legs in chair as the rib cages come to the thighs. As you inhale, this is the full inhale to press yourself up, and exhaling to lower the arms. Let's continue to move. As we inhale, the arms are reaching. Exhaling, we're coming down into the chair. Remember, we are listening to the body. As you inhale, press yourself to standing. And as you exhale, the arms lower down. So we're going to do this 2 more times. Inhaling, the arms are reaching. Exhale, come into the dynamic chair. Take the rib cages to thighs. Inhale, lean back. Feel the breath, fill the heart. As you come to standing, exhale to lower the arms. Last time. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale. Find your chair pose. Lower the head, release the ribs. Inhale to lean back and draw yourself straight up. Exhale to lower the arms and pause. Beautiful. Okay, so from here, we're stepping our left foot back. We're setting up for Virabhadrasana 1. Take your right hand to the low back. On your inhale, bend your knee, lift the heart. And as you exhale, draw out of the pose, lowering the arms. Inhale, big inhale. As you reach up and bend the knee. As you exhale, straighten the front leg. Keep the heart lifting. Inhale, come into the pose. Feel the full breath. Fill the rib cage. As you exhale, lower the arm down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift the heart. Reach the arm. As you exhale, lower the arm. So we're staying in the present moment as we move dynamically, inhaling and exhaling. Last time, and we'll stay in the pose. Inhale, lift the arm, lift the heart. This time, take both arms up here, reach through both arms as you actively ground through the feet. Feel your right hip dropping. And from the navel, inhale to reach up as you lengthen through the spine. Drop into the breath here. Staying fully present with the inhale and the exhale. 2 more breaths. Noticing the sensation in the body. And reminding yourself, you are not your thoughts. You are that which experiences your mind thinking. Beautiful. As you exhale, we're going to step forward and pause. Excellent. So from here, the right foot is going to step back. So you come into this wide stance, preparing for Virabhadrasana 1. The left hand this time is resting on the low back. Feel your right hip squaring forward. As you inhale, bend the knee, reach the arm. Come into this Virabhadrasana 1. As you exhale, straighten the front leg, lower the arm. Inhale, bend through the knee. Feel the left hip drop as you ground down. Exhale, press yourself straight up. Inhale, You feel this opposing action of the spine. The spine is lifting as the hip drops. Exhale to come out. 2 more times. Inhale, staying present. Noticing that the mind wants to go places and we come back to this moment. Exhale. Inhaling. Stay with the breath. Breathing, feeling, listening to the body. Exhale. Last time, as you inhale now, take both arms up into the Virabhadrasana 1. So we're actively pressing through the back foot, through the pinky toe side of the back foot. Then feel an opposing action as you lift through the spine from the belly upward. Ground into the breath. 2 more breaths here. Just notice that the mind wants to wander. We come back to the breath. I am not my mind. I am that which experiences my mind thinking. Now from here, we step forward. Beautiful. So we find our Tadasana once more. Okay, so you might want to just step back a little bit. Give yourself a little bit more room on your mat. As you inhale, lift your heart. As you exhale, fold out over the legs, come into the forward bend. Inhale, hands to shins. Lift your spine halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold out over the legs, Uttanasana. Inhale, to rise and come back to Samastitihi. Continue to move. As we exhale, we fold out over the legs. Inhale, come up halfway. Ardha Uttanasana. Back of the head is aligned with the sacrum. Exhale, fold out over the legs. Inhale, rise with a flat back. Come all the way to standing. Exhale, slight bend in the knees as we move from the hip joint to fold over the legs. Inhale halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold out over your legs, Uttanasana. Inhale to rise, flat back, hinging all the way up. Last time, exhale. Inhale halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold Uttanasana and pause. If you'd like, you can rest your fingertips on the floor, hands on the ankles, but just drop into the breath. Remind yourself again, I am not my mind. I am that which experiences my mind thinking. Using the breath to stay present in this moment. Beautiful. As we inhale, we come all the way to standing and pause. All right, it was wonderful practicing with you. So down below, you can find a link to my free course. It is the daily release practice. Go ahead and grab that. And until next time, namaste.